Everyone, my name is Faida Parveen. I am from 6th grade.
My name is Shruti Kumari from class 8A.
My name is Swastika Mukherjee. I am from class 8B. We are from Bus Garden School, Daludih Rajganj. Today we will make a science project named Water Level Indicator. To make this project, we will need some components such as
We will take breadboard, 3 LEDs, red, yellow and green. 3 220 ohm resistor, 3 470 ohm resistor, 3 NPN transistor, jumper wire, 1 battery.
Now let's assemble these components together according to the circuit diagram. Now we have completed the assembly of the project. Let's take an empty glass and see our project is working or not. As you can see, our project is working fine. When we pour the water, all the indicators are working. If you like this project, please subscribe our YouTube channel.
ATL Lab, Bus Garden School.
Thank you for watching this video.